Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Hi guys, good morning. I have barely gotten enough sleep. We literally like went to bed at 2 a.m. and it's just 7 a.m. and we've been asked to come down for yoga. I am still sleepy, guys. Like, look at my eyes. I still need to sleep. But anyways, we're going down for yoga right now. Waiting for the other ladies to come out so that we can go. I'm wearing my regular workout gear. Wearing this. Yeah, I'm waiting for them to come out so that we can go. Ah, jeez. We literally only went to bed 4 hours ago. 4 hours ago. We had such a crazy night. Anyways, let's go. This feels like being on a reality show for like 1 day because the camera is following us everywhere. That's more like it. Morning. We need to sleep. That's how we are. How are you? Hi. Hi. Our hostess with the mostess. Hi Stella. How are you? See, I've never done yoga in my life too. This is like the first time. So I'm looking forward to it. Close your eyes. And on your inhale, I want you to expand into your chest, opening up your lower side ribs with your breath. Keep your shoulders down as you inhale, just expand your chest. And drop your right ear towards your right shoulder. Inhale, lift your right hand. Right. Okay. Keep your chest open, your belly goes up and in towards your spine. Breathe into that space. Find your chest is open towards the sky. Wide fingertips. And when you're ready, on your inhale, I want you to drop your belly, lift your head. Good, now bring your spine to neutral. Now widen your knee. Bring your big toes to touch. Send your hips back. Extend your hands out and rest your forehead on the mat in child's pose. How about drawing your belly in towards your spine? Good, now bend from the knee. And you're going to bring your toes towards the back of your head. Belly in towards your spine as you lift. Breathe. Bend your back knee and again. Deep breath. Widen your fingertips, keep reaching your heels downwards. It's okay if they don't touch the ground. But make the motion of your heels going down so you stretch out the back of your legs, lift your head. And we're going to come forward. Natalie.
Yeah,
oh, hi. Come and see our sing. Shakira, Shakira. Hey, Sabi, white.
Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you fall. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this anymore, I go. Cause you a bad man, if she don't love man, if she break up.
Hey! Be loved. Sit there, sit there. I'm telling you.
Even the
Waka waka baby, oh yeah.
Ooh, baby,
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I go tell my mama,
Oh yeah.
I go tell my papa,
Oh yeah.
baby sawale,
Sawa, sawa, sawale. Sawa, sawa, sawale. Ah.
hey, pom pom, porokoto, porokoto, pom pom, pa poropa, pom pom, one baby,
Hey.
I wish I shower, pom pom,
Pom, pom. Sawa, sawa, sawale. Sawa, sawa, sawale. Ah. Hey.
You've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time.
Daddy, oh, daddy, where you go for joy? Person push mommy push person push mommy. So one time, mommy for Yakata for bed.
You know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it, how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it.
Ladies.
The aura experience.
Natalie,
Woo, 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 woo.
I did you okay?
Woo! Woo, 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 woo.
She's so
Woo!
literally.
Woo!
You're welcome. Head of fire.
Hands on fire!
Thank you, Laura. Stella.
Woo, 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 woo. See how she's running. They're like, not even serious.
Alma.
Thank you. Oh, that's a heavy bag.
Left, right, can you take it all night?
Hey guys, what's up? Hope you guys are doing good. So I have been back to reality for a couple of days. Might I just add that I had such an amazing weekend at the Hilton. The aura experience with Mercy was planned by Mercy. So Mercy is a content creator just like me. I'm based in Abuja, but she also works with Transcorp Hotels PLC. So she more like partnered with them to, you know, create this slumber weekend for her and a couple of other ladies, like 9 other ladies. So yeah, it wasn't free, just in case you're wondering. It wasn't free. Yeah, you definitely have to pay for it, but I feel like it was money well spent, because come on guys, we have worked all year. I feel like it's time for a bit of pampering this month of December. So yeah, I was so glad to be a part of it. It was so much fun. There was so much food, so much laughter. I met some amazing ladies, and we bonded really quickly, you know. We played games that night. We had karaoke. We even had like a steamy sex session, because one of us is like a sex therapist kind of thing. So it was just fun. It just felt like being on a reality show for 2 days. That's how it felt, you know, because we had cameras, like, you know, recording most of what we were doing, except our sex talk session, but because that was like really personal for everybody. So except that, but like the rest of the stuff that we did, we had cameras following us back to back and everything. So yeah, even at some point there were times when my vlogging camera battery died, or I just didn't want to vlog because I really wanted to soak in the experience, you know. It's one thing to attend something like that and you're on your camera for the most part. So there were times that I had to just like put off my camera and just soak in the entire experience and everything. So it was a beautiful time. And to be honest, I wish I could get one more retreat like that or something like that before the year runs out, hopefully. Because see, I love my life, guys. I like to pamper myself once in a while, okay? Once in a while. I feel like we all need it, okay? Anyway, I'm talking too much. I want to show you guys the bag that we were giving. Yes, there was a goodie bag before. There was a goodie bag. So it came in this orange, really cute orange bag that says Aura by Transcorp Hotels. And let me just quickly unbox everything, or rather unpack everything that is inside this bag. It smells good, by the way. Anyways, first things first, here is a Blue Non 25 karat gold edition. This is like a mini bottle of champagne, and this was the champagne brand that's sponsored the Slumber party. We drank so much champagne, guys, like so much champagne. At some point I'm like, I can't drink anymore. There was so much, it was overflowing. It has like some gold, what do you call it, 24 karat gold flakes inside it, right? So that is the brand name. It's called Blue Non. Then over here, I'm not sure what these are, but yeah, there is this little pouch. Okay, yeah, Messi mentioned that these are satin pillowcases. I'm not sure how many pillowcases. They look like 2. Feels so luxurious. So if you have like natural hair, okay, it's 1. If you have like natural hair and you want to like keep your hair always on point, this satin pillowcase for your pillow, I feel like it's best for, you know, your hair. And if you are like team natural or you just want to take extra care of your hair, this one's from a brand called Nature's Looks. So yeah, very cute, guys. Like very cute and very luxe. It feels very luxe. Then next we have this product here. Is the Afro by Nature Twist and Coil. Moisturizes, protects and revitalizes. So this is a hair product. I have a couple of other stuff as well. We have some nice sample size products from Clinique. This is a Clinique clarifying lotion, twice a day exfoliator. I used to have the big size of this and I really enjoyed using it. This one is the Clinique Moisture Surge 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. This I've used different sizes. This is just a sample size, but I've used different sizes like 30 ml, 100 ml. I really love it. Oh wow, there's still some things in here. Jeez. So this is a Clinique liquid facial soap, oily skin formula. Oh, I think I'll enjoy using this. I've never tried their liquid facial soap before. And there's also another Clinique product, the Dramatically Different moisturizing gel, also a favorite. I love it. We have this Pyongyang Yule eye cream. It's an eye cream sample. Oh wow, what is this? I don't know what this is. Aura by Transcorp Hilton. It looks like a flash drive, but I'm not sure it's a flash drive. No, it's not a flash drive. Wait, I don't know what this is. It's a key holder, but there's more to it. Like can you guys see that? There's more to it. I don't know what it is. I'll figure this out. I think this is like, oh, a little touch light. Ooh, I'm not sure what this one does. I'm not sure what this one here does, but yeah, it's a cute key holder. Aura by Transcorp. We have this. Ooh, oh, we have this, guys. So this is a candle from Honor the brand. Let me open it up and see. You guys know that I love me scented candles. Okay, so I'm super excited for this because you can never have too many scented candles. Okay. Oh god, it smells so good. Wow, this was nicely packaged. It smells so good, guys. Wow. It even still has bubble wrap. Oh, so this is what, oh, and it's customized. My name is on it. Alma, right here. You guys will not be able to see it. Really tiny down here. Alma. Smells really good. I can't wait to burn this. I usually burn my candles in order of how I get them. So I do have candles that I haven't even burnt yet, that I've gotten before now. So burning this one will not even be now. I burn my candles according to how I get them. Let me know in the comments if you also do that. All right. Okay, we have a few more things in here. This one is the Innisfree My Real Squeeze mask. Okay, this is like a sheet mask. Okay, a sheet mask. And then last but not least, we have chocolates. This is Ferrero Rocher chocolates. So yeah, that's all that we have in this bag, and I had an amazing time at Hilton this past weekend. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the 2 vlogs. So yeah, this will be a second vlog, so 2 vlogs about this whole experience. I have plenty work to do for the rest of the day, so I'm going to end today's vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you enjoyed watching, let me know in the comments down below. Subscribe, thumbs up, share. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Mwah. Bye.